Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a very interesting video because I am going to make an English video for practice and improve my English. Today is Sunday and it's really sunny day. It's really hot. I'm sweating now. And now I came to the church, beautiful church in the Belgrade. So I can't show you inside because I think prayer is going on, so I can't go inside and show you, but I can show you from the outside. It's a really beautiful church. People are praying here, but I don't know how to pray, but I will pray from my heart to the God. And today is also the World Cup final, Argentina versus Spain, and I don't think so Argentina need any kind of prayer to win this World Cup because God is already playing there, and you know what I mean, so you know. This is the beautiful church in mid of the Belgrade, and it's sunset now, and also the beautiful park over here. It's a really big park. Today is another beautiful day, even though Argentina lost the match yesterday, and it's a pretty cool weather today. As you can see, I'm here in the park waiting for my delivery with my bike and bag. My English is not good, so I'm practicing my English to improve my English. That's why I'm making a video in English. My English is not so good and not so bad. I can understand, but when I have to speak, I'm get little bit confused and feel awkward to speak with my friends and with my colleagues at work. But I hope one day, very soon, I will be good in my English. So I'm making in this video in English. I hope you will gonna like it. Kids are playing here. It's a very beautiful day like me. So nothing much to say. Yesterday Argentina lost the match, so I'm a little bit feeling depressed and sad, but it's okay. Spain well deserved to win this World Cup because the way Spain played is really good and amazing play by Spain. So well deserved, well played Spain. I forgot the name of Spain's captain. What to say? I forgot his name. But yeah, he played really well, and Mbappe won the Golden Boot. Spain won the World Cup, and Argentina, I think it's a bad luck for Argentina and Messi. So, and Argentinian fans and Messi's fans, but yes, life goes on and we have to move on. So let's see. I have an allergy. My feet are getting red. This side also, if you can see, it's all getting red. My arms also are getting red. I went to the doctor and she told me it's because of sun, and she gave me some tablets. I can show you. Where is it? She gave me this tablet. I don't know, it's XYGAL. I don't know the name. She gave me this tablet and hope it will gonna work. It's all getting red. This is all getting red. I hope it is going to be okay very soon. Let's see. Just a minute ago, I was sitting like this here in the park waiting for my delivery using my mobile, when suddenly one lady approached me from this side and asked me not to sit here. And I asked her back why not. And she told me, here are in the bushes, here are the big rats. And I was completely shocked when she said that. And firstly, she thought I am from Spain. Do I look like Spanish? I mean, I said no, I'm not from Spain, I'm from Asia, and you can guess my country. And she goes, are you from Indonesia? I said no. She goes again, are you from Philippines? I said no. And I gave her some clue, like we have highest mountain and Buddha was born there. It's between India and China, but she doesn't have any idea. So she googled it and found it. I'm from Nepal. When she found it, I'm from Nepal, our conversation level went so down and feel so awkward when she knew that I'm from Nepal. I don't know why. Maybe she thought firstly I'm from Spain, but yes, maybe that could be the reason. And suddenly she left me alone and she vanished, she gone. So yes, it was a kind of interesting and funny for me, that incident that happened to me just now. Yes, we had a conversation for 10 to 15 minutes, and she was smoking, she was waiting for someone, I don't know, but yes, she was kind of friendly and smiley person. But yes, that happened when she found it I'm from Nepal. So what to do? I told her we have highest mountain, we have Lord Buddha was born in there, but she doesn't, I think she doesn't give a damn for that. So yes, and she doesn't have any clue where is Nepal. That is also strange, but never mind. So that was the story. And Serbians are the most nicest, most kindest people I have ever seen in my life. That's why I trust that lady. And I have to go now. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.